Some other workers wearing white uniforms are carrying those baskets and taking them into a factory.
Some other workers are taking the peanuts out of the baskets and throwing them onto a lift machine.
This lift machine goes into a separate room, and it comes out after passing through a heater machine.
This lift machine goes into a warehouse machine, and the peanuts come out clean.
The output looks clean.
Yeah, running smoothly. Keep the pressure steady.
2 workers are putting the peanut lift machine into another machine, and the peanuts come out white.
This peanut lift machine goes into a factory, and the peanuts are turned into chocolate and come out on the lift machine.
All readings are within spec. This batch is cleared for packaging.
The chocolates go inside a machine, and this time the Snickers logo is being applied.
This chocolate lift machine goes into a warehouse.
We're at 98% efficiency this hour.
Yeah, that's an improvement. Let's maintain this speed until the next shift.
Some workers are packing those chocolates into small boxes that have the Snickers logo on them.
Many workers are lifting those boxes and taking them to the warehouse.
In this warehouse, a truck is parked with the Snickers logo on it.
2 workers are loading those boxes from the lift machine onto the truck.
That pallet is checked.
Confirmed.
That's the last pallet scanned. Everything matches the manifest, and you can sign off on it.
This truck passes through the city and reaches outside the Snickers bakery.
All right, bring it out slow. Watch the clearance. Got it. Where are we staging this one?
Some workers are lifting those boxes and taking them inside the bakery.
Put the caramel ones on the 3rd shelf. Okay, these peanut butter ones go here.
Dad, can I have that one? The rainbow sprinkles look amazing.
Let's ask if we can get a slice to share.
Awesome.
That should be everything. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
These chocolates are very good.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
So, did you hear what happened to the mixer this morning?
Oh yeah, the dough went everywhere. Took me an hour to clean up. Subscribe to this channel and wait for the next video. Okay, goodbye.